Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to attach Google Drive files to an email using Gmail. This is perfect if your file is too large to send as a regular attachment or if you simply want to keep everything organized in Google Drive. First, open your browser and go to Gmail. Click on Compose to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type your message. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the Google Drive icon to insert a file. You can use the search bar to find your file quickly or browse through your folders. Once you've located the file, click on it, then click Add to insert the link into your email. The file link will now appear in the message. Click Send. If a confirmation window pops up, just click Send again. If you want to adjust the recipient's permissions, open Google Drive, right-click on the file, and select Share. Add the recipient's email address and choose whether you want them to be a viewer, commenter, or editor. And that's it. You've successfully attached a Google Drive file to your email. This method is fast, reliable, and perfect for sending large files. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and easy guides.